EcoTools Start the Day Beautiful Makeup Brush Set includes angled foundation brush, blurring brush, define crease brush, angled liner brush, full blush brush and storage tray. The EcoTools Start the Day Beautifully kit is designed with the makeup tools to simplify your daily beauty routine and organize your beauty space. This kit includes a core collection of 5 essential brushes, and a storage tray. Makes for a great gift for daughters, wife, girlfriend, spouse or significant other. Use the reusable tray to provide organization to customize and unclutter your beauty space. Use with liquid, creams, or powder eyeshadows, blushes and foundations. Handcrafted with eco-friendly materials and lightweight bamboo handles. Made with synthetic Taclon bristles and sleek aluminum ferrules. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect simple collection. As a professional makeup artist, I often buy these brushes when I have small jobs with under 5 models because this way I can use brand new brushes on them and then I gift them to the models. This helps me in an immense way with hygiene and reduces the number of brushes I have to sanitize.